Now welcome to Sri Ganit Vijnana Sarvaswam JEE and MSET online video channel. This is B. Ramesh Kumar, JL in Mathematics. So thank you one and all to watch my first uploaded video making on mathematical reasoning of January 2020 solutions for JEE mains. Now in this video I made solutions of system of linear equations in the topic of matrices. It is also a very important topic and very easiest question will come from this topic. So before going to our topic, watch the complete video. If you like, press like button and subscribe it. So first of all, I am telling about some key points for this topic. Generally, first degree equations are called linear equations. Now solving the system of equations can be solved by using so many methods like inspection method, equation solving method, substitution method, etc. Similarly, this system of equations will be solved by using matrices also. First of all, consider one linear system of equations and it will be written in the matrix form Ax equal to B. Here A is coefficient matrix, X is variable matrix and B is constant matrix. Here if B, which is constant matrix, is equal to zero matrix or null matrix, then the system is called homogeneous system. Here if the constant matrix B is equal to non-zero matrix, then the system is called non-homogeneous linear system. Here the system is either consistent or inconsistent systems. Suppose the given system has at least one solution, then the system is consistent. If the given system has no solution, then the system is inconsistent system. Homogeneous system is always consistent because of it has only solution, that is zero solution. It is also treated as trivial solution. Non-homogeneous system is either consistent or inconsistent system. Next we go to solutions of linear systems and some more points for solutions of linear systems. Now in this table it is shown for certain conditions for homogeneous and non-homogeneous linear systems. These are already known to you. Next we go to problems. Now the first problem is the system of linear equations 2x plus 2ay plus az equals 0, 2x plus 3by plus bz equals 0, 2x plus 4cy plus cz equals 0, where ABC belongs to R, non-zero and distinct, has non-zero solution, then the given options are a plus b plus c equals 0, a, b, c are in AP, 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c are in AP, and a, b, c are in GP. Here we observe that the given system has non-zero solution. Then we find the determinant of the coefficient matrix that must be equals to 0. Here coefficients of x, y, z are 2, 2a, 2, 3b, b, 2, 4cc equals to 0. Now in this matrix, take 2 will be common, then reduced matrix 1, 2a, 1, 3b, b, 1, 4cc equals to 0. Now the next step is we can apply row transformations. R2 changes R2 minus R1, R3 changes R3 minus R1 for this matrix. Then the resultant matrix equals to 1 2a. First first row not be changed. Second and third rows changed by 0, 3b minus 2a, b minus a, and 0, 4c minus 2a, and c minus a equals to 0. Now, this determinant can be simplified. Then we get 3b minus 2a into c minus a minus 4c minus 2a into b minus a equals to 0. Then the next step is 3bc minus 3ab. Here multiply with 3b to c and multiply with 3b into minus a. That is 3bc minus 3ab and minus 2ac minus into minus plus 2a square. In next term minus 4c into b, 4bc, 4c into minus a, minus 4ac minus 2a into b, minus 2ab minus into minus plus 2a square equals to 0. Now the next step is 3bc minus 4bc, that equals to minus bc, minus 3ab plus 2ab, that equals to minus ab, and minus 2ac plus 4ac, that equals to plus 2ac equals to 0. Here ab plus bc equal to ac. Now b into a plus c equals to 2ac. Then the next step is b equals to 2ac by a plus c. Here we observe that the value of b equals to 2ac by a plus c, which is the value of harmonic mean in the harmonic progression. Then the numbers a, b, c are in HP. Then we get the reciprocals of a, b, c are 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c are in AP. This is the solution for given problem, that is in the option 3. Therefore, our answer is 3. This is the solution for first problem. Next we go to second problem. System of linear equations x plus y plus z equal to 6, x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 10, and 3x plus 2y plus lambda z equal to mu has more than 2 solutions, then mu minus lambda square is equal to dash. So this is numerical integer type question. Now we go to solution. First of all, we write augmented matrix of the given system. The coefficients of x, y, z are 1, 1, 1 and 1, 2, 3 and 3, 2 lambda in third equation. Similarly, the constant 6, 10 mu besides the coefficient matrix, that is 6, 10 mu. So this is augmented matrix. Now we can apply row transformations for this matrix using R2 changes R2 minus R1, R3 changes R3 minus 3R1. Then we get the resultant matrix will be here. So here first row will not be changed, second row will be changed by 0, 1, 2, 4 and third row by 0, minus 1, lambda minus 3, u minus 18. And another we can apply an operation R3 changes R3 plus R2, then the resultant matrix equals to 1, 1, 1, 6, 0, 1, 2, 4. These will be not be changed. And third one is 0, 0, lambda minus 1, u minus 14. Here we observe that this is in the echelon form of the matrix. Echelon form means there is the applying row transformations will not be exist for next to resultant matrix. So this form is called echelon form. Here the last row, third element is lambda minus 1 and fourth element is mu minus 14. So in the given system, the system has more than 2 solutions. So compulsory the rank will be coefficient matrix and augmented matrix is always equals to 2. So therefore here lambda minus 1 equal to 0 and mu minus 14 equal to 0. So the values of lambda and mu are 1 and 14. Now in the given problem, we compute mu minus lambda square. So we take mu minus lambda square. The values substitute in this equation. Then 14 minus 1 square, that is also 1. 14 minus 1 equal 13. So 13 will be the answer for this question. Next we go to third problem, for which of the following order pairs mu delta the system of linear equations x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 1, 3x plus 4y plus 5z equal to mu, 4x plus 4y plus 4z equal to delta is inconsistent. Now here the given system is inconsistent. So the options are, first one is 4 6, second one is 3 4, third one is 1 0, and fourth one is 4 comma 3. Next we go to solution. Now the augmented matrix of the given system is AB equals to the coefficients of XYZ are 1 2 3, 3 4 5, and 4 4 4 will be written in the matrix, and also write the constant values 1 mu delta coefficient matrix besides, that is 1 mu delta. This is the augmented matrix of the given system. Now we can apply row transformations. R2 changes R2 minus 3R1, R3 changes R3 minus 4R1. Then we get the resultant matrix will be equals to, here the first row will does not change, and second and third rows are 0 minus 2 minus 4, mu minus 3, and 0 minus 4 minus 8, delta minus 4. Now that equals to, here also apply the row transformation. R3 changes R3 minus 2R2. Then first two rows will not be changed, and third row changed by 0 0 0 and delta minus 2 mu plus 2. We observe that this matrix is echelon form of the echelon form. This is in the echelon form. So here also we observe that the given system is inconsistent. Therefore, rank of coefficient matrix is not equal to rank of augmented matrix. So rank of A equals to 2, rank of AB equal to 3. Therefore, 2 is not equal to 3. So here compulsory the value of lambda minus 2 mu plus 2 is non-zero. So this is one of the equation. Now we go to, by verification method, substitute the values delta and mu in the equation. First value 4 comma 6 will be substitute in this equation, that equals to delta value 6, that's 6 minus 2 into mu value 4, so that equals to 6 minus 2 into 4 plus 2, that equals to 8 minus 8, 0. So this is the wrong answer because of delta minus 2 mu plus 2 is not equal 0. Similarly, the next option 3 comma 4. This also substitute in this equation, then we get 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So this is also wrong answer because of lambda minus 2 mu plus 2 is non-zero. Similarly, We go to third option 1 0 will be substitute in the equation, then we get also minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. Then this is also wrong answer because of delta minus 2 mu plus 2 not equal to 0. Finally, the fourth option is 4 comma 3. This also substitute in the equation 3 minus 2 into 4 plus 2 that equals 5 minus 8 that is equal to minus 3 which is not equal to 0. Therefore, the order pair of mu comma delta that equals to 4 3 which is in the option 4. This is the solution for this question. Next we go to fourth problem. The system of linear equations lambda x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 5, 2 lambda x plus 3y plus 5z equal to 8, 4x plus lambda y plus 6z equal to 10 has. Now the given options are no solution when lambda equal to 2, infinitely many solutions when lambda equal to 2, no solution when lambda equal to 8, a unique solution when lambda equal to minus 8. So which type of system will be examined? Now the solution of the system is, first of all, the given system can be written as follows for our convenience. That is 2z plus 2y plus lambda x equal to 5, 5z plus 3y plus 2 lambda x equal to 8, 6z plus lambda y plus 4x equal to 10. So first it will be right z after y after x. Similarly, remaining two equations also. Now the augmented matrix of the given system is AB equals to the coefficients of z by x of the given system 2 2 lambda, 5 3 2 lambda, 6 lambda and 4 will be written in the coefficient matrix, and also write the constants 5 8 10 separately in column. So this matrix is called augmented matrix. Now we can apply row transformations. R2 changes to R2 minus 5R1 and R3 changes R3 minus 3R1. Then we get resulted matrix is, first row does not change, second and third row changed by 0 minus 4 minus lambda minus 9, 0 lambda minus 6, 4 minus 3 lambda and minus 5. So this is the matrix. Now here we do not apply any transformations for this matrix because of lambda minus 6, 4 minus 3 lambda and lambda and minus lambda, these are arbitrary variables or constants. Now we go to by verification method, substitute lambda equal to 2 in this matrix, then the resultant matrix is, augmented matrix is 2 2 2 5. Here substitute the value of lambda equal to 2 in the place of lambda, and similarly 0 minus 4 lambda will be 2, therefore minus 2 and minus 9, 0 lambda will be 2, 2 minus 6 equal to minus 4, similarly 4 minus 3 into 2, 4 minus 6 is minus 2 and minus 5. Here apply row transformation for third row, R3 changes R3 minus R2, then we get resultant matrix will be 2 2 2 5, 0 minus 4 minus 2 minus 9 and 0 0 0 4. So we observe that here the rank of the coefficient matrix is not equal to rank of the augmented matrix. So rank of coefficient matrix equal to 2 and rank of augmented matrix equal to 3. Therefore 2 is not equal to 3. Therefore this is system is inconsistent for lambda equal to 2. Therefore, no solution when lambda equal to 2 for this system. By verification method, substitute lambda equal to -8 also. Then the matrix will be reduced into 2, 2, -8, 5, 0, -4, 8, -9, 0, -14, 28, -5. We can apply R3 changes R3 by -14. Third row is divided by -14. Then we get the matrix is 2, 2, 2, 5, 0, -4, 8, -9, 0, 1, -2, 5 by 14. And R2 here, R2 is interchanged by R3. Then the matrix is 2, 2, -8, 5, 0, 1, -2, 5 by 14, 0, -4, 8, -9. Here 2 and 3 will be interchanged. And finally, we can apply row transformation. R3 gives rise R3 plus 4R2. Next, the resultant matrix is 2, 2, -8, 5. First row does not change. Second row is also does not change. Third row 0, 0, 0 and -106 by 14. Here also we observe that rank of coefficient matrix A is 2, rank of augmented matrix AB is 3. Therefore, rank of A is not equal to rank of AB. Then the given system is inconsistent. Therefore, no solution when lambda equal to -8. Therefore, our option is, our answer is no solution when lambda equal to 2. So this is in the option 1. So finally, our answer is the system has no solution when lambda equal to 2. It is the solution for the problem. Next we go to fifth problem. That is, for some alpha and beta in R, the intersection of the following three planes, x plus 4y minus 2z equal to 1, x plus 7y minus 5z equal to beta, and x plus 5y plus alpha z equal to 5 is a line in R cube. Then alpha plus beta is equal to, given options is, first one is 0, second one is 10, third one is -10, fourth one is 2. Here we observe that given three equations represents three planes. So we know that intersecting any two planes at one place, then we get a line. So here the equations represents a planes. Now this system also solved by using matrix method also. Now we go to solution. The given planes intersect in a line. Here we observe that one result. The determinant of coefficient matrix and determinant of dx. It means first column is replaced by constant matrix, and dy. It means second column is replaced by constant matrix, and dz. Third column is also replaced by constant matrix. So these are all used in determinant method, that is Cramer's method. Now the values of these determinants equal to 0 because of the planes are intersecting in a line. So first we compute determinant of coefficient matrix. So the coefficients are 1, 4, -2, 1, 7, -5, 1, 5 alpha will be written in the matrix. Now we calculate the value equals to 7 alpha plus 25 minus 4 alpha minus 20 plus 4 equal to 0. Now we get the value of alpha equal to -3. Next, calculate dz equals to, first column do not change, second column also do not change, third column will be replaced by column constant matrix 1, beta and 5. This is also will be equals to 0. Now simplify this determinant. Then we get 35 minus 5 beta minus 20 plus 4 beta minus 2 equal to 0. So then we get the value of beta equal to 13. Now in the given problem we find the value of alpha plus beta. So therefore alpha plus beta equal to minus 3 plus 13, that equal to 10. So this is the solution for this problem. Next we go to sixth problem. The following system of linear equations: 7x plus 6y minus 2z equal 0, 3x plus 4y plus 2z equal 0, x minus 2y minus 6z equal 0. Let it be equation 1, 2, 3. Has the given options are: first one is infinitely many solutions, x, y, z satisfying y equal to z. Similarly, second one is infinitely many solutions, x, y, z satisfying x equal to 2z. Third one is no solution, and fourth one is only the trivial solution, that means zero solution. Now the solution is, first of all we calculate determinant of coefficient matrix. Now the coefficients of x, y, z are 7, 6, minus 2 in first one, 3, 4, 2 in second one, 1, minus 2, minus 6 in third one, will be written in the matrix. Then we calculate the determinant: 7 into 4 minus 6 plus 4, that value will be minus 20. So minus 6 into 3 into minus 6, minus 18, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, minus 18 minus 2, minus 20, minus 2 into 3 minus 2, minus 6, minus 1 into 4, minus 4, minus 10. Now the value will be 7 into minus 2, 20, minus 140, and minus 6 into minus 20 plus 120, and minus 2 into minus 10 plus 20, that will be equals to 0. Now determinant will be 0. Here we observe that determinant will be 0. Then the given system has infinitely many solutions. Here the given options satisfying y equal to z or x equal to 2z. So here the equations can be made on 1 minus 2 plus 3. 1 minus 2 plus 3. It will be simplified: 1 minus 2, 7x minus 3x, 4x plus x, 5x. Similarly, 6y minus 4y, 2y minus 2y will be cancelled. Minus 2z minus 2z minus 4z minus 6z minus 10z. Here 5x equal to 10z divided by both of 5 with 5, then the value will be equals to x equal to 2z. So this is in given option 2. Therefore our answer is, the given system has infinitely many solutions, x, y, z satisfying x equal to 2z. This is the solution for this problem. So wish you all the best. Thank you. Thank you one and all.